Hello viewers, welcome back to another video. So in this video I will show the best 5 insurance companies in USA. So first of all we can see home insurance, local insurance agency, and the second one best life insurance for me companies life insurance. The third one health insurance plan, individual and family plans. The fourth one the best car insurance companies of 2023 usnews.com. After that we can see here best life insurance companies of 2023 US News, best life insurance companies of 2023, top 100 US property and casualty insurance companies, best car insurance companies of April 2023 for best advisor, best life insurance companies of April 2023 for best advisor, 10 largest auto insurance companies April 2023, top 15 insurance companies in USA, Yahoo Finance. After that here we can see the largest insurance companies in the USA based on market. Here we can see best car insurance companies of April 2023 bank rate. After that in the second page we can see insurance for IL, insurance for Illions. The second one get custom health care quota, take control of your health. So after that we can see Blue Cross and Blue Shield of IL, access the care. Best car insurance companies of April 2023 bank rate. 9 best car insurance companies of April 2023 net world. Top insurance companies Glassdoor. Best car insurance companies of 2023 USA Today. List of United States insurance companies Wikipedia. If we can click this Wikipedia we can see more information about this website. After that international insurance companies and global insurance. 10 largest auto insurance companies in 2023 Wallet Hub. 9 best life insurance companies of April 2023 Money. Best 5 insurance companies in USA. Best insurance companies in the United States 2023 ranking. Commercial insurance quotes rate starting at 39.99 per month. After that State Farm insurance agent Chet. After that here we can see local insurance agency local.insurance.optimized. In the third page we can see compare health insurance plan and get custom health care quota. Insurance for IL, insurance for Alliance, Blue Cross and Blue Shield of IL across access to care. Best insurance companies in the United States 2022 ranking. Here we can see 25 top 25 insurance companies list here. If you click here you can see top 25 list of insurance companies. After that top 14 list of Texas. The best car insurance companies 2023 the Zebra. The 10 best health insurance companies of 2023. Here we can see best life insurance companies in India. After that here we can see 10 largest insurance companies in the US market watch. Biggest US insurance companies by Assist Statista. Best health insurance companies of 2023 insure.com. The best car insurance companies of April 2023 MoneyGeek. Personal insurance, home, auto, umbrella and more. Life insurance in select call. So in this 3 page we can see the best